Jai Shri Radhe, Progressive Shorthand, March 2021, Exercise 6, Dictation, Start. Agro-processing industry provides a critical link between the agriculturist and the urban consumers. B will strengthen this link among other things by encouraging collaboration between the cooperative agriculture sector and the corporate sector. Opportunities in export of food products will be vigorously pursued. We intend to give vastly higher policy attention to the small scale industry and bhagidari sector, as these are important sources of self-employment. This sector makes the highest contribution to the country's GDP. My government will welcome suggestions from the CII and other industry organizations as how to provide to this sector critical developmental inputs such as easy, adequate, and timely credit, marketing, infrastructure, and appropriate technology. Housing and construction are the greater generators of productive employment next only to agriculture and services. The national agenda for governance has pledged to facilitate construction of 2 million new housing units each year, with priority for low and middle income family needs. Within the next 60 days, my government will unveil a national housing policy. All impediments in the realization of our stated goals in the policy will be removed. Forthwith, the Urban Land Ceiling Act will be suitably amended to facilitate realization of housing goals and to boost construction. Information technology is an area of special importance. It has already revolutionized the world. No country can hope to develop global competitiveness if it ignores information technology. This is one area where India can quickly establish global dominance. India can be fully competitive in this area with tremendous payoffs in terms of income generation and creation of high quality jobs. This area also provides an alternative and attainable opportunity to Indian business and industry to become software jars. Just three Indian companies, not exactly household names, have today a market capitalization of rupees 13,000 crores, and all are also aggressively exporting. In this connection, I invite specific suggestions from trade and industry for removing any bottlenecks in the way of faster growth of the informatic industry. In the national agenda, we have pledged to make India a software superpower. Within the next 30 days, we will set up a national information technology task force which will formulate a draft national informatics policy full stop. The government will initiate immediate steps to effect reforms in the public sector full stop. These will embrace the whole gamut of imaginative restructuring, including transparent disinvestment and reducing PSU losses. Full stop. Indian industry must improve its global competitiveness and strengthen its export muscle. Full stop. We cannot succeed in Swadeshi development if we do not export. Full stop. The new action policy seeks to provide special support to our exporters as such. Full stop.